Do you ever feel like you're working hard but not seeing the results you want? What if I told you that by focusing on just 20% of your efforts, you could achieve 80% of your desired outcomes? This is the Pareto Principle, and it can revolutionize the way you approach your goals. In this episode of Prosperity Paradox, we explore the intersection between money and mindset. The Pareto Principle, also known as the 80/20 rule, was named after Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto. He observed that 80% of the land in Italy was owned by just 20% of the population. This principle can be applied to almost anything, including finance and how to approach your goals. Understanding the Pareto Principle can help you make better financial decisions. You can identify the 20% of expenses that are causing 80% of your debt, and make changes to your spending habits to pay off your debts faster. The Pareto Principle also applies to productivity. You might spend 80% of your time on tasks that only produce 20% of your results, while the other 20% of your time produces 80% of your results. By focusing on that 20% of highly leveraged activities, you can achieve more. So, what are these highly leveraged activities? Well, that's where you need to do some analysis. Take a look at your goals and the tasks required to achieve them. Which tasks have the most significant impact on your success? Which ones are the most time-consuming or require the most effort? Identify the 20% of activities that give you the biggest bang for your buck and focus on those. For example, if you're a salesperson, you might find that 80% of your sales come from just 20% of your clients. By focusing on those top clients and providing them with excellent service, you can increase your sales and revenue without wasting time on less profitable clients. The key to applying the Pareto Principle is identifying the 20% that produces 80% of the results. Once you've identified that 20%, you can focus your efforts and achieve more. So remember, whether you're investing, working, or exercising, the Pareto Principle can help with efficiency. Thanks for watching. Like, follow, and subscribe for more. This is Finance Fusion, helping you master your money.